So another quick video. Just want to point out something. When you're framing in a basement and you have stone walls, sometimes you're going to have to cut out some of the 2x4s because the wall sticks out in certain areas. If you let me back up so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So you want to get the frame as closest to the wall. You're going to have to take out some notches. I'll show you in a second what I mean. Here's another one that I had to cut out. So you slice it up. Remember, when you're framing, every 16 inches. I'll show you in a second what I'm talking about. So here's what I mean. Just cut out slices like gills on a miter saw, whatever saw you're using. Then just get your chisel and just pop them out. So here's what I'm talking about. Just cut it, slice it in a bunch of like gills. Here's a nice set that I purchased at Harbor Freight. I've had a set of these and I had to purchase another set because someone used my first set for stonework. So here's the framework, how it's coming out. So far so good. Just gotta tie them in, put running across. We'll make a door here for the water meter. I'm gonna put an access panel for the house filter, and the next step is to replace this window for an actual window. It's illegal to do a bedroom in a basement and not have a proper window. In case of an emergency, no one's going out through that window. Just want to show you these metal brackets that I'm using. So if you don't know what they're for, it's basically where your wires are running or plumbing, you want to place one of these brackets in the studs, on the studs. So in the future, if someone wants to drive a nail, or your drywall guy is putting up the walls, is to protect that person from driving a screw into your line. And it will really suck if in the future someone decides they want to hang a picture frame in this area, and to pay someone to come out and find the problem is going to cost you a lot more than what this box costs. I think the box was about 20 bucks, but it will save you time, money, and headaches from ever having a problem where someone drove a screw into your line. If you're getting a job done and you see that the contractor is not using these, you might want to question why they're not using it. I know it saves them a little bit of time and it probably save you a couple bucks, but it's not worth it. It's best to install them.